Hello and welcome to the SupraScoop tutorial for brand watch campaigns. Brand watch campaigns are used to monitor the activity surrounding a specific handle on Twitter. You can use this to monitor what people are saying about your brand, or even monitor a competitor's handle for potential client acquisition. So without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. Kickstart your brand watch campaign. Click on the Create button in the toolbar, give your campaign a name, and simply follow a handle. We're going to follow Netflix for this example. Retweets are excluded by default, but you can include them if you want to by clicking on this box here. So click confirm the activation of your campaign, and then you will find it in the table over here that lists your current active brand watch campaigns. If you made a mistake while creating your campaign, you can select it from the table and hit the edit button. Here you can tweak the name and the retweet inclusion parameter. If you made a mistake with the handle, please archive your campaign and create a new one. And to archive your campaign, you select it from the table and simply hit the archive button over here. This will stop new leads from being produced and move your campaign to the archive tab over here. For brand watch campaigns, it can take anywhere from 2 to 15 minutes for your leads to start coming in. If there are no leads yet, please be patient and keep hitting refresh. If after 15 minutes no new leads have come in, please make sure you are following the correct handle. And if no new leads have come in after you confirmed your handle, then feel free to contact our support and we'll try and help you as best we can. We're going to go into this campaign now and hopefully some leads have come through. As you can see, this might happen. So now, if no leads have come through yet, don't fret. You can just hit refresh and hopefully it'll come through by the time you've hit refresh once or twice. There you go. See, not that iffy. And now, if you want to pause your campaign and stop new leads from coming in, you can simply hit the pause button over here. This will still keep your campaign active though. And let's go into the details of these leads. You can see what the people have posted here and some metrics about them, such as their follower count, the following count, and the post count. You can also see some metrics such as if there's any media attached to the post, location information, what our sentiment analysis AI thought about this post, and the gender we think this person is that posted. So now we're going to go into one of these leads. We're going to pick this one. And you can now see different stats here, such as the location. And on the analysis tab, you'll find some extra statistics, such as the estimated age range, and then how confident we are about their sentiment and the gender. If you like this lead, you can engage with this person directly on Twitter by hitting the engage button, and you can send them a DM or reply to their post or anything like that. So now if you go back, you'll find a stats tab over here, which will give you overall statistics about this campaign, such as the amount of leads that have come through on specific days, the locations of the leads, and the overall sentiment in specific countries, globally, and the average gender and age the target audience of this handle reaches. And that's pretty much it for the brand watch campaign tutorial. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.